The protected shorelines and deep water around Yokosuka and Sasebo, Japan, have made them natural harbors for ships sailing the Pacific Ocean since the days of Shogun. Located at the entrance to Tokyo Bay, Yokosuka lies just south of Yokohama near the site where Commodore Perry and his squadron of black ships made the historic landing in 1853. This event opened feudal Japan to Western commerce. In 1865, following Perry's visit, a young engineer, François Verny, came from France at the invitation of the Tokugawa shogun to start construction of the Yokosuka Ironworks. Yokosuka Ironworks grew into one of the world's great shipbuilding centers. During the World War II era, the Yokosuka Naval Arsenal was one of 4 principal naval shipyards owned and operated by the Imperial Japanese Navy. It employed a workforce of over 40,000 employees and built more than 100 ships at this forerunner of the present-day Forward Deployed Naval Forces maintenance facility. Sasebo is located on the southern island of Kyushu, just north of Nagasaki. Sasebo is about 600 miles from Tokyo. Sasebo has been an important naval base since 1889, when the Sasebo Naval Station began operations as headquarters for the Imperial Japanese Navy's 3rd Naval District. Fleet Admiral Togo sailed ships of the combined fleet from Sasebo to engage Russia's Baltic Fleet. His victory during the Battle of Tsushima is a classic in naval history. Japan's strategic location in the Western Pacific makes an ideal base of operations for 7th Fleet ships. The location is important in carrying out our defense treaty obligations with Japan and supporting the United States' pivot to the Pacific strategy. This ensures peace and stability throughout the Indo-Asia-Pacific region. The U.S. Naval Ship Repair Facility and Japan Regional Maintenance Center at Yokosuka, with its detachment at Sasebo, is the linchpin of American naval operations in the Indo-Asia-Pacific region. The gray ships of the U.S. 7th Fleet have replaced the black ships of Commodore Perry's squadron. They maintain a constant vigil over the Western Pacific, covering more than 48 million square miles of the Indo-Asia-Pacific region, including much of the Indian Ocean. As part of the U.S. Navy's strategy of forward deployment, several ships of the 7th Fleet, including the flagship USS Blue Ridge, along with the only overseas-based carrier, USS Ronald Reagan, operate out of Yokosuka and Sasebo. The sailors of the 7th Fleet deploy on missions patrolling the outer reaches of the Pacific and eastern Indian Ocean. The fleet gains substantial savings in fuel, time, and maintenance costs, with Ship Repair Facility and Japan Regional Maintenance Centers invaluable forward deployed services. Through mutual security pacts, Japan helps maintain our military forces by hosting them in their country and providing the bulk of the professional workforce. Employees of the Japanese master labor contractors make up a large percent of employees at the bases, including SRF-JRMC. This makes the quality of ship work performed both at SRF-JRMC Yokosuka and at its Sasebo detachment some of the most cost-effective ship repair in the U.S. Navy. The industrial capability at SRF-JRMC can handle most any ship repairs, maintenance, and modernization. Any surface ship or carrier can obtain timely voyage repairs for nearly all emergencies it may encounter at sea, allowing it to resume its mission with minimal delay. SRF-JRMC can also perform some submarine repairs. The facilities available include 6 dry docks in Yokosuka and 1 in Sasebo, all built by the Japanese between 1871 and 1940. Modified through the years to accommodate more modern vessels, they've supported over 3,500 dry dockings since SRF-JRMC was established in 1947. At capacity, the largest dry dock can hold ships over 100,000 tons and more than 1,100 feet long, giving SRF-JRMC the capability to dry dock any conventionally powered U.S. Navy ship. The quality work of our multicultural workforce makes SRF-JRMC the maintenance facility of choice for regular machinery and equipment upgrades. Our guiding principles include a safe working environment where people are our most valuable resource, which has led to our reputation as the employer of choice for U.S. civil servants and Japanese master labor contract workers. Over 325 U.S. civil service positions are available at SRF-JRMC's 2 locations. While Sasebo, the base of operations for the 7th Fleet amphibious and mine countermeasure ships, is smaller than Yokosuka, the accessibility of support from Yokosuka and access to neighboring resources of several important Japanese ship repair companies gives the SRF-JRMC detachment a very significant repair capability. Construction of new buildings, facilities, and ongoing modernization proves the commitment the United States and Japan have maintaining and improving the vital first-rate repair capabilities at Yokosuka and Sasebo. SRF-JRMC's most important resource is not buildings or facilities. It's our diverse, multicultural workforce, including skilled Japanese employees, U.S. civil servants, and military personnel. These people are getting jobs done with pride, artisanship, and the proud traditions of Japanese industry. The motto, "Nandemo dekimasu," exemplifies the spirit of the workers. It means, we can do anything. This is more than a slogan. It describes the resourcefulness these workers have in resolving complex repair problems. It means fixing ships faster and at less cost than other naval shipyards, having many more personnel and equipment resources. Whether it's machine shop mechanics manufacturing a pneumatic fitting for emergent repair of a DDG's ammo hoist, fabricating a complex bevel gear for a slew-arm davit, or combat systems technicians working on the forward deployed carrier, quality is the principle by which every SRF-JRMC worker is trained to carry out every day to keep the 7th Fleet operationally ready. Our vision is to be the best performing U.S. naval ship maintenance provider, known for its cooperative spirit, friendly workplace, respectable working environment, state-of-the-art technology, and diversity of thought, providing challenging and rewarding professional development opportunities. At Yokosuka and Sasebo, we always strive to improve safety, quality, productivity, efficiency, and environmental protection while maintaining technical compliance. Our safety, health, and environmental records show injury and illness rates far below other public or private shipbuilding and repair activities. Because of this, we've been recognized by the Chief of Naval Operations and the Secretary of the Navy with multiple Safety and Environmental Excellence Awards and the Voluntary Protection Program Star status. The dedication of our workforce reflects their commitment to the job at hand. They are industrious and innovative, working alongside Japanese workers. U.S. civilian workforces, together with U.S. military personnel, provide a significant, crucial component of SRF-JRMC. Despite being far from home, U.S. civilians, military personnel, and their families enjoy many familiar comforts on base, while also enjoying the many fantastic cultural exchanges and exciting travel opportunities Japan has to offer. This diverse group of men and women work together in tasks such as planning, engineering, and management, helping ensure SRF-JRMC remains the best possible repair facility it can be. Yokosuka is unsurpassed in gas turbine repair capabilities, ranging from troubleshooting to complete changeouts. In support of stationing of the LPD-17 class amphibious transport dock USS Green Bay in Sasebo, the Sasebo diesel engine shop has expanded to handle the addition of Green Bay's 9 diesel engines. Sasebo has approximately 80 main propulsion electrical generation and anchor hydraulic diesel engines to maintain. The industrious and innovative skills of Sasebo enabled our facilities to become fully capable to support this latest addition, and Sasebo is up for the challenge. SRF-JRMC is where hard work and cooperation are very real and very necessary. The Japanese managers have the knowledge and experience to meet all scheduled deadlines, and the character to deal with emergent requests from our customers while exceeding their expectations. These experienced managers are leading and directing a new generation of apprentices. Through their guidance, teaching, and mentoring, journeymen equipped with leading-edge technological knowledge and practical skills are stepping up. English language instruction is provided for both apprentices and journeymen. The Language Training Division, run by the Defense Language Institute English Language Center, is staffed with U.S. and Japanese instructors for training in this bicultural environment. The large numbers of Japanese workers and smaller number of U.S. civilian and military personnel who work at SRF-JRMC Yokosuka form a close-knit group. They work side by side, but they also enjoy the rich heritage of the Japanese culture. Each summer, we celebrate the Obon Festival, a traditional Japanese festival honoring one's ancestors with dancing, known as Bon Odori. And in December, we sponsor an annual Christmas party for mentally and physically challenged children and adults. SRF-JRMC Yokosuka and its detachment Sasebo have one objective: to keep the 7th Fleet well-maintained and ready to go into harm's way. Without American civilian and military personnel teamed with Japanese men and women at Yokosuka and Sasebo, the Indo-Asia-Pacific region would not have the stability it has now. Ship Repair Facility and Japan Regional Maintenance Center, Linchpin of the Pacific.